going on, Ohio? It's your boy Rocky Dub, man. Sunday, April 3rd. I'm telling you, Next Level is the place to be, man. It's right on Main Street. We got the Rocket Lunch, hosted by Mike Flames. I will be judging. We got freestyle battles, acapella battles, everything is going down for the cash, man. I see you at Next Level on Sunday, April 3rd. I will be judging. Make sure y'all follow me on Twitter, man, at Rocky Dub. Check out my single, You Don't Mean Nothing. 10-4.
And just the other day I had a mission, but I couldn't get you out my mind as soon as you were mentioned. I'm tripping, but I'm wondering if you feel the same way. I'll never ask because I'm scared that you gon' say